Hello, Rogers parents, students, community members, faculty members, everybody that watches this video. Open House Flipped, second edition. I wanted to go back over a couple of things that I felt like I did a poor job on explaining. I talked about attendance, and y'all do a wonderful job with attendance. I want to tell you that it's a wonderful blessing to be here in Rogers and have our attendance that is so good. It is the envy of all the other schools around me when I talk about how high our attendance is. But when I talk about a note for every absence, excused versus unexcused, they're both absences, and it comes down to funding from the state. And so we're hamstrung a lot of times on excused versus unexcused. But a note gets your child excused. That means their whereabouts are known. They may still be absent, and they may still be counted as absent, but at least their whereabouts are known. Unexcused are where their whereabouts are unknown. And I talked about signing out last week, but I want to talk about medical absences. For the purposes of wellness visits, a child can go to the doctor and go to school in the same day, and it does not count against them. It does not go down as an absence. It actually goes down as they're present. It goes down that they were in the seat, and it goes back to funding. It allows you to schedule doctors and dentist appointments and the occasional sickness, and it doesn't count against them. So that's kind of what I wanted to follow up with on that. For my next slide, lunch forms in the back-to-school packet. The lunch forms in the back-to-school packet, in a very convoluted way, if you fill them out, even if you feel like you're not going to qualify, if every family filled it out, it actually benefits the school. If you've already filled it out, God bless you, we appreciate it, thank you. If you haven't, would you revisit that possibly? And if you need one, would you contact the school and we can get you another lunch form? Want to throw this out there again, my Remind account. My Remind goes directly from my phone, and so I'm going to use it in emergency purposes. I'd like to kind of funnel everybody towards my email. I'm pretty consistent with sending out an email every Friday on things going on and upcoming events. But I am going to use this, but this is the way to sign up for it. My Remind account. Next week's high school events. And the last but not least, but a humble plug, pulled pork sandwiches tomorrow night. Have a great day, Rogers High School.